Lineartronic Mitsubishi. My name's Josh and today we're doing a walk around video of this 2015 Subaru Forester XT. Now, it is in great condition, and starting from the front, being a black vehicle, you would be able to spot a lot of the damage on it. However, this car does actually present really well for a 2015 model. Got that nice big bold front end with the chrome grille that does stand out quite nicely against the black paintwork, and nice sharp headlights here with those daytime running lamps running through them. You've also got the headlight washers just down here to keep your headlights nice and clean when it does get a bit dirty. There are a couple of minor stone chips that we have gone through the effort of touching up for you. And down the bottom we've also got the fog lights with the chrome surrounds. There is a vent on the side of that which is non-functional, however it does add a little bit extra to the front end. These wheels on this Forester are a beautiful design. They are that chrome and gunmetal kind of design. In terms of condition, there is a little detailing spray there, however the wheel is actually unmarked and brand new tires on the vehicle as well. We've got color matte side mirrors and door handles with the indicator built into that side mirror, and pay attention to the actual condition of the paintwork as we go along, because you will notice it is in great condition from front to back. On the inside here, the seats are in good condition too, so nice firm bolsters. There are a couple of little marks on the seat, wear and tear, but nothing really inconsistent. Door guards and where we get lazy and kick the doors open are also in good condition. I've got privacy glass on the back, however we would recommend taking advantage of our premium window tint, matching the front up with the darkest legal tint. That next wheel, once again, great condition there. That one is also completely unmarked with brand new tires. The fuel filler cap is on the driver's side. Now, making our way along to the back, do get nice squarish kind of designs on your tail lights as well, and that tailgate once again presents really well. I'm just going to open this up and show you on the inside. Now, there are a couple of marks on the rear bumper here from where people get bags in and out, however nothing really inconsistent. Underneath here you have got your space saver, sorry, your full-size spare plus your jack and tools. Plenty of space in the back, and to fold these seats down there is just a little button there which lets you fold them nice and flat, so very easy design, and you have got the option on the other side as well. Closing that back up, keep making our way along to the passenger side. Once again, paintwork along this side does present just like the other side, great condition. There is one slight mark there, but nothing really too concerning. That next wheel again, there is one very slight superficial mark there, but tires, as I said, brand new all the way around. A couple of little drip marks from the detailing spray, but nothing really permanent. There is one very slight mark there again, but that's just me being picky on a black vehicle because I can, well, see it. That next wheel, once again, really good condition there, and still plenty of tread left in those tires. What we're going to do now is pop the bonnet and have a look at the engine. Under the bonnet now, what we have is Subaru's iconic boxer engine. Being a 4-cylinder 2-litre turbo petrol engine, you do get that really nice top-mounted intercooler, so great for air intake when you are driving. Now, the 8-speed automatic gearbox also makes it a very nice car to drive. ANCAP safety rating is 5 stars, which is always good to know in a car with a turbo in it and a fun vehicle such as this. Power output is an impressive 177 kilowatts with a torque rating of 350 newton meters. Petrol fuel tank holds 60 litres, and it does have to run on a minimum of 95 fuel. Fuel consumption is about 8.5 litres per 100, giving you an average fuel distance, depending on your driving style, of about 706 kilometers from a full tank. Taking a look inside the Forester now, on the driver's side door you do get all your power window controls. Front driver's side is automatic up and down. Above that is your central locking button and the toggle for your power mirrors. On the right hand side here you've got your stability control as well as the illumination control for your clusters. Now, right hand stalk has your indicators, headlights and fog light controls. And on the left hand side you've got all your washer and wiper controls. Steering wheel is a very nice leather wrap steering wheel with paddle shifters behind it in case you wanted to switch through your gears manually. On the left hand side you've got your menu controls and media controls for the head unit. On the right hand side you've got your cruise control plus your sports modes as well. Now, having a look in the center display, there is a little display up the top there which there are controls for it on the bottom left hand side of the steering wheel as well, which let you switch through exactly what you see. Now, popping into reverse, you do get a very nice reverse camera as I mentioned on the outside. You can see the rear bar in there as well, which makes it very easy to back up to anything behind you. Full touchscreen head unit with AM and FM radio. You've also got your Bluetooth and hands-free connectivity. Down the bottom you've got dual zone climate control, so setting it to auto, setting the temperature and pressing dual or turning dual off will keep it to the same temperature on both sides, otherwise the passenger can have a separate temperature. Down here, a little bit of storage and a 12-volt socket. You've also got X-Mode, which lets you switch through your four-wheel drive settings, or your all-wheel drive traction settings, sorry. The shifter can be driven as a standard auto, or if you bump it to the right, you can switch through the gears manually with the shifters. Behind here, 2 cup holders and a hard handbrake, and that center console, when you open it up, there's a tray up here with some storage for some coins, and in there you've got 2 USB inputs, an AUX and a 12-volt socket. Now if we quickly pan around the interior, you will notice that the vehicle is in really good condition. Roof does have a massive sunroof, so just pressing that once does actually let you open that up all the way, so great for letting some light in, especially on a beautiful day like today. Closing that back up, and as you can see, leather and fabric on the rear seats are also in great condition, so very, very well looked after inside this Forester. Guys, thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch the walk around video of this beautiful Forester. Now, something I'm going to recommend is ask us how we can actually offer you a lifetime warranty on the paintwork, because it's something you're going to want to take advantage of. We can also package that up with a window tint for you as well. The other thing I would recommend is the premium mechanical protection plan. Protect the electrics and the mechanical side of your vehicle. It will cover you for the next 5 years on 181 electrical and mechanical components of the vehicle. You also get up to 10 years of platinum roadside assistance and much, much more. Now, if you are using our in-house finance, our business managers, Julie or Mario, would love to talk to you about your finance packages. They're going to tailor something to suit your needs, which will fit the car in there, plus all these protective options, and make all the payments nice and comfortable for you. The last thing I would recommend is, just before I go, have a look at our Google reviews. We are sitting on 4.8 stars with over 1,000 reviews from customers Australia-wide. It is proof that you are dealing with a good dealership, buying a good quality vehicle, and we are going to look after you from start to finish. If you have any questions at all, the number to dial is 9907 0555. My name is Josh, and thank you so much for watching.